see the boat being taken off the property. Basically, it's a historical event. My car is so dirty from being in the woods. If you saw the outside, it would just look like pine needles caked with mud.
What are we doing, Katie?
What are we doing?
So we're moving our big boat today. We just went out there and the truck didn't make the ferry. So they're coming from Marysville, Associated Boat Transport. Bruce and I sat down and figured out how much money I would have spent and how much I saved by trucking it to the house. We saved $81,000 plus or minus by not having it in the shipyard since 2012, since it needed work anyway. Why work on your own sailboat when you've got a fabulous job in Europe driving somebody's beautiful sailboat? I just never fixed my own. 42 feet and it's heavy and the deck needed to be redone, and I'm looking forward to not bending over underneath that. I built the roof 16 feet high and I still had to bend over. I mean, really bend over to get it up and down the deck. So now it's going to the boathouse. We're not going to put the mast on it. We're not going to step the mast. Today it's going to the shipyard and I'm going to I've got a couple of tapered valves, through holes. There's a ball valve for the sink. We're going to replace that. There's only 3 through holes in the whole boat, which is really unusual. This guy built it for the ocean. He didn't want a bunch of holes in the bottom of his boat. I mean, it's a wonderful boat, so I'm just I've never seen it in the water. I bought it in the Port Townsend shipyard in 2011. During the financial crisis, a guy just couldn't hang on to it, and I bought it, and I just kept it, and we didn't even license it for 12 years. Just sat there.
Yeah, I was there when we licensed it.
Yeah, Katie and I went over to Pacific Maritime Title and transferred the title on it. Been a long process. We don't know what we're doing. We're going to put it in the water. We're going to work on it. We found a wonderful boathouse. We're going to get Tootsie's snacks.
Breakfast sandwich.
And the boat should be there in about a half an hour. So we're going to have coffee and breakfast. And when we're going to go out there and load it up onto a trailer. So we're going to have some brekkie and then we'll show you some pictures.
It's morning. I'm not awake yet. I gotta do before and after. We're at the car wash. That's what it looks like since we live in the woods. It's like even a fly is like, oh, this is the best thing. How good Tootsie's breakfast is. That was amazing. That windshield.
What do you do?
Okay, you obey it.
Where is it?
It says green. So see how it says there's instructions right there? You've never done this?
No.
What?
No, I've never done this.
Are you kidding?
No.
You've always just washed cars yourself your
These are
entire
bad.
life?
Yeah, these are bad for cars.
So you are doing this with me for the first time.
Yes.
It's a lot easier. Look. I mean, look at how dirty your car was.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the soap. It's rainbow.
Ah!
I don't know if I did the $12 or the $14, but it did a great job.
I did the $14 wash.
Oh, good man.
Ah! Look, look, look!
Oh my gosh, it's so scary!
Ah! Car washes are not good for a paint job. But this is just plain white, so.
You're saying this would take paint off?
It takes the clear coat off. Damages
Really?
it. Yeah.
It's like we're at a theme park.
Yeah, it's got flashing lights. Oh, gave me some anxiety. Oh, wax.
Did it really?
That's wax. Smell it?
You're right, it smells weird.
See, it beads up. Wow. That is powerful wind.
You have never been in this before.
No.
Are you lying?
No, I have never been in this before. But I actually have parts from the old one before he replaced this. Brian gave me some stainless jets and stuff.
Why would you need that stuff?
Because now that we live on the island and they salt the roads,
Oh, now we need it.
now we need it. But I say,
After 20, 30 years?
oh look, it knocked the.
Yeah, but that wasn't supposed to stay there, I think. I think that's
What?
like from when you first buy the car. I don't think it's supposed to stay there. Wow, it just seems so much nicer.
Ah, Japanese sticker.
He just picked that up and he said, I liked that sticker. He wanted to keep it.
Hey.
What does the Japanese say?
I don't know.
I should know.
Mirror, left hand.
Good job.
What are you asking me?
What'd you say about that?
Oh, about
boat.
Associated Boat
The
Transport?
boat mover?
Okay, so there's several smaller boat moving operations, but I think Associated is one of the biggest. It is capable of moving the biggest sailboats in Western Washington.
You said there's only one of them?
No, I think there's only one trailer like this. It's all computerized. You'll see it, and it's got remotes. It actually drives the truck. It'll back the truck right up underneath the boat.
And I didn't realize it was coming from out of town, so it was in Marysville.
Yeah, it was in Marysville. Associated Boat. I used them. Used to belong to another guy. He's a good guy. Anyway, he moved the boat for me twice. Once when I bought it in Port Townsend, that was like $3 or $4 grand to get it to Sequim, and then it cost me another $3,000 to get it from Sequim to Carlsberg, and this is costing me about $4,000 to get it from Sequim to the Port Angeles shipyard.
Robbie loved this sticker so much.
I really like the sticker.
He had to put it on his phone.
I gotta put it on my phone.
You have the most Japanese phone of anyone. Like, not only is it flowery and people are always like, is that Katie's phone? And you're like, no.
That's mine.
And then he's got stickers on it and like from where? Alien tape?
Alien tape.
Yeah. All right, we're back.
We're back, getting ready to move the boat. Clean your hood.
Man, is it the pitch?
I don't know what it is. Fungus? There's a fungus among us. It's gonna take cleaner.
Usually it does amazing.
Yeah, well, it's island pitch.
We're gonna have to clean out the garage.
Yeah, that's funny.
So we still have that boat, this boat, which says free. I was like, what?
Well, it's a gorgeous boat.
Gorgeous. Ski boat. And then 2 other boats. And then Promise, the big boat. For those who don't know, this is our old house. We used to live here. That's not our motorhome, thank goodness.
What are you telling these people?
Nothing. A bunch of guys are coming to watch. This is a big deal. Poor people coming to watch. That's Dalen. Robbie's friends know what a big deal it is that this is happening. They don't want to miss it. I'm still waiting. This is our old view. We lived across from a blueberry field and mountains. This is the beautiful cherry blossom tree that we always take pictures of.
The night is coming down, warm wind blowing through the trees. I watch them swing like he waited for the day.
I've always been terrified if those things get like unscrewed. Isn't the boat gonna fall over?
It's got the back stands on it, and Michael seems to think that we're good.
Maybe we need to stand in the middle.
Yeah. I don't know. Scary. I've always been terrified of that happening. The boat slipping. Boat's name is not Spirit With. We renamed it Promise. We're gonna paint it. It was at like 8, but I'm charging it in Robbie's truck. So.
I helped dress him very well. And they've done an autopsy on him. And 2 weeks before he died, he sprayed Furco. And I'm like, Tom,
What is you talking about?
that is probably the highest isocyanate flare that you can spray right now.
Still going. Taking a lot to balance this boat.
I might have to rethink my plans.
Should be an ad for Essence Coffee.
Hello, darling.
They just removed all the stuff. It's like the next action. I
He's
actually
gonna pull
missed.
out.
All right.
Better move too, I think. Inch it up to the edge.
Oh my goodness. Never thought I'd see the day.
Yeah, that is an ocean-going machine.
Wow. Look at that. Robbie, look at all this space in the in the yard.
Oh, look at the boat there. Take a picture from behind.
Yeah, but
a beast.
I don't like the Spirit With. That's not her name.
That is not her name. radiator. Get the mast put on it, get a bow thruster put in it. Alright. Have a travel lift at middle of the top.
It's like the Wooden Boat Festival.
I can pump them up.
I can catch her on the road. I have to go to the bathroom so bad, but wow, she's like already way up there. It took her forever to get there. I'm going to Sunny Farm so I can go to the bathroom because I've like been waiting forever. I didn't realize I'd catch up with her. That is so big. Wow. Going to the shipyard for other people's boats
Yeah.
that Robbie would work on, but now it's our boat.
I gotta go to work.